Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to solve a question based on sequence of number, and the question is like this. If a1 plus a2 equal to 1, a2 plus a3 that is equal to 2, a3 plus a4 that is equal to 3, a4 plus a5 that is equal to 4, and so on, a50 plus a51 that is equal to 50, and finally a51 plus a1 that is equal to 51. So we have to find the Sn, that is the sum of number, and the sum of number are Sn that is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 up to a51. So let's begin our solution. Is given first a1 plus a2 that is equal to 1, a2 plus a3 that is equal to 2, a3 plus a4 that is equal to 3, a4 plus a5 that is equal to 4, and so on, a50 plus a51 that is equal to 50, and the final a51 plus a1 that is equal to 51. So simply we add up all this term, and we have a1 plus a1 that is the 2 times of a1 plus a2 plus a2 that is the 2 times of a2, a3 plus a3 that is the 2 times of a3, a4 plus a4 that is the 2 times of a4, a5 plus a5 that is the 2 times of a5, and similarly we have somewhere here is the a50 and plus a50 it become the 2 times of a50 plus a51 and a51 it is the 2 times of a51, that is equal to the sum of right side term that are the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 50 plus 51. Now next, on the left hand side we take the common from each term, that is the 2, so that will be the 2 times a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a50 plus a51, that is equal to, on the right side that are the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and dash dash 2 plus 50 and the plus 51. Now here this sum a1, a2, a3, a4 up to 51 terms, that is actually the Sn. So we have here 2 times of Sn, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 50 and plus 51. Here we have the sum of n natural number, and the sum of n natural number is given by Sn, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of term. So for the n we put the value 51 because here are the total 51 terms. So 2 times Sn, that is equal to 51, 51 plus 1 upon 2. Now we divide both sides by the similar number 2 to eliminate this 2. So 2 here, and we also divide on the both side because equal operation on the both side of equation does not affect the equation. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and here we have the Sn, that is equal to 51 into 51 plus 1, that is the 52 upon 4. 4 1 times the 4, 4 13 times the 52. So finally we have here Sn, that is equal to 51 into 13, and the product of 51 and 13, that will be the 663. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.